Scott. That was a close one.
Are you okay, Brains?
Okay. Climbing for second attempt.
Brains, you're not gonna make it.
As soon as you touch down, I'll open up with my jets. The slipstream should
Slow you down.
Right. Let's try it.
FAB. Penelope and Alan, in a few moments, I'm going to open up my jet engines. Now hold tight to that rail. Alan, raise your hand if you've understood me.
Okay, folks. Hold tight.
Well done, Brains.
Okay. Tintin, you're first. Jump aboard.
Oh, no, you don't. Get out of that cockpit and move.
Scott, one of the stewards has got Brains at gunpoint. Now we know why there's been no radio communication.
Well, what are they going to do, Verge?
Looks as if Penelope's boarding the aircraft.
And the captain's getting into the rear cockpit.
Okay, turn this crate around.
Oh, what's happened to Brains?
Everyone's moving towards the Tiger. There's no doubt about it. The crew are in control of the situation.
Things look bad, Dad.
Hush, hold it a minute.
Come on, hurry it up. Get back fast! This thing's gonna collapse any moment! What makes you think I'm coming back? The double crosser! We've got to stop him! Quick! Jump aboard! Come on! We're going to crash! We're just overloaded, that's all.